guys, today I'm gonna show how to adjust handbrake cable from the inside the cabin on Toyota Auris 2008. So first of all you need to take out this cover. Used this tool. Take out this cover and you need 10mm and that bolt. Yes, this bolt. Right here. So thanks for watching.